Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is Dwayne with Off Grit, a channel dedicated to helping you live a lifestyle of self-sufficiency. And today I'm going to show you guys the results of my milk jug experiment. If you're new to the channel, I did an experiment, started it about 32 days ago. And what I did was I took some recycled milk jugs, filled them with a hydroponic solution, buried them in the ground, and planted some lettuce. And here is the result. And would you look at that? So it's a real simple system. It works well as long as the temps in the soil are 75 degrees or less. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. In the second part, I'm going to show you the other half of the garden I did, which is bigger than this. But I just wanted to show this off. It's amazing. The lettuce tastes great. This is called prize head lettuce, and it's real easy to do. And I've got some other things in the works here. I've got 5-gallon jugs buried in the ground. Everything's recycled, and the only thing that I'm really using is a hydroponic solution with master blend, calcium nitrate, and magnesium sulfate, which is also known as Epsom salt. Alright, so if you want to know how to grow like this, I'm going to be making a series of videos on this, and in the future I'm going to be doing more with gardening because it's a huge part of homesteading. You can see a couple pics here, delivered some to the neighbors, and I got plenty of salad for dinner. So anyways, I just wanted to check in with y'all. I'm going to be making more videos. Please subscribe and spread the word.